So we just added a serum to the face. Some people will say, well, hey, in option number 2, when you were talking about LED, you didn't really show us. And how would I use that with my serum? Or do I use it after the serum? Do I use it after dermaplaning? For me, the LED treatment, I normally always do it after the chemical peel process when I'm about to add on this serum or a cooling gel, all of that good stuff. Because remember, the LED mask, LED lights, light emitting diode, the lights are actually small, powerful lights that are penetrative, meaning that even if you have a mask, depending on what type of mask, if it's a clay mask, gel mask, probably not so much at all, especially clay or azalea clay or Indian clay, some sort of Aztec clay, the stuff that you see on TV, the clay mask for like the charcoal mixed with clay mask that has all the minerals and stuff in it. It's too dark. Most of those clay masks are always super green, brown, or black. Now remember, with black, even for any type of laser machine, laser has a hard time picking up on a monochromatic color such as black or gray. Like for black people to get, or people of color to get laser treatments, you have to have an ND YAG laser, ND and then YAG, YAG. That type of laser is monochromatic, but it focuses on the color that you want. So not everybody can get laser hair removal because some of their hairs are so fine and thin, or they don't have a color to it at all, that laser's not gonna pick up on anything. And when you go back and say, hey, that laser machine didn't do shit, it really didn't, because it couldn't pick up and zap the hairs because it wasn't a monochromatic laser machine. So because you have certain dermatologists or so-called doctors and these fancy dermatologist offices who say, oh, I can do this for your skin. No, they can't. How many people of color have you worked with? So come on, like really do your homework. The LED mask works kind of the same exact way, just doesn't zap laser or radiation into your skin. So the laser machine actually has those little small diodes of light that penetrate their small circles, goes into the skin. Even if you have a clear mask, a jelly mask, as long as they're clear, yes, you can do this during your mask treatment or after. Even if you have a serum, most serums are opaque or see-through anyway. I haven't seen a serum that was super dark, or that would be crazy. So as you can see with her mask that she has on her face right now, it changes and cycles in different colors. That would be for somebody like her. She has, I don't want to say zero problems because no one has zero problems, but she has small facial issues, like 1 or 2 bumps. That's nothing. That's going to go away in a couple of days, especially after a nice HydraFacial or chemical peel. So for her, yes, you want to cycle out your colors. But if somebody did have just one problem, like such as acne, they want to have the blue mask. If someone has blood flow issues or problems to where they need to have their lymphatic system flushed out or moved, then I would say green would be the best one to go through. And if you have somebody who has like a cold face or stagnant blood that pulls underneath the eyelids or needs some sort of skin tightening, I would go with red. And the mixtures of colors, if you have a yellow and a green, or let's say a blue and a yellow or blue and a red, that's just a mixture of all of the elements that I just named all into one light. So if they have a little bit of slow blood or a little bit of inflammation that won't move out of the way and your lymphatic system isn't working properly, you're probably going to have it cycle through all of these lights at the same time so they can hit every little problem all in one. And that's all the lights and the colors really mean. Some of them are super penetrative, some of them are not. Some of them only work at, superficially, some work epidermally, some work dermally, some work subcutaneously. And those are layers of your skin. Those 3 or 4 layers, if you include the very top, is 4 layers, but it's really just 3. But that's what your face mask does. And you let your client sit here for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes, 15, 20, however long or much time that you guys have. And the face mask actually comes with a little turkey giblet, a little, like the little turkey, the little goose neck. Some people got them wrinkles and doubled up neck stuff. Yeah, it's really, really horrible. There's a plate that goes on top of it, but we didn't hook that up just yet. But that's for those little clients that have the little turkey giblet, like, you know how they be talking to each other, the little clucking and sounds and stuff. But yeah, that throat, that's where that chicken, that even chickens have it. If you look at it, or turkeys, they have that little gobble piece underneath their neck. It's just fat. That piece will come with the machine. We're just showing you the full face machine without the neck. She has a perfect neck. Like, you don't have to worry about her having a turkey giblet until she's like 192 years old. And when we live that long, then yeah, we're supposed to have the turkey giblet at that time. Like, come on, that's almost 200 years old. So black don't crack, she's great. And if you are trying to prevent that, then yeah, I would have the neck piece on there in conjunction with the face mask. So now that we have shown you the face mask that everybody has been screaming and raving about, because not everybody's machine comes with the mask. Hers did. She has a newer model. And it's the H2O2 new 2. The H2O system, the H2O2 version 1, yeah, it just had a 1. She has 2, version 2. Now, there will be a 3 coming out. Hers has radio frequency. There are some machines that have radio frequency and microcurrent. I showed you the microcurrent head in the other video. If you have that model, then yes, you just have the updated model. That's it. That's the only differences between the radio frequency and the microcurrent, the Y-shaped one, the one that goes in between the chin, eyes, forehead, in between the nose. That's microcurrent. And that microcurrent is supposed to attract your muscles, it's supposed to feel like a little tightening effect on the face. If not, don't worry about it. You still have your machine, you're doing great. Thank you guys for watching. And before we leave, again, in the very first video I did say, take a before picture, always. Even if you don't take a before picture, at least get, you know, some sort of health client intake form that shows that they came in of a sound mind. I know what you're doing. I know the procedures. I know the rules, the regulations, the do's and the don'ts. You're a qualified professional. I trust you. I'm going to sign here so I don't maliciously sue you just because I want to, because I get one little small mark, because everybody's skin type is different. You can use the best chemicals in the world, be highly trained, effective at what you do, and still their skin may break out. They may have some sort of allergic reaction. You don't know. Like, some people are that sensitive, and maybe they know that and just want to set you up or do something crazy. Make sure they sign a client intake form that serves as your before and after picture as well. So if you can do both, that's perfect, because then that shows that you came in fine and you left fine. But the client intake form covers me legally as a professional. So you can't take my house and cars and businesses away from you. My LLC protects me from that. So make sure you take those in the very beginning. You'll be fine no matter what. And if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to give me a call at any time. I'm on Instagram, YouTube, all that good stuff. You guys have my number. And Adrienne, we're going to take a before and after picture so you can see her results. And she does the cavitation machines, radio frequency, fat burning stuff. So we're going to actually take off the mask so she can explain a little bit of what's going on and what she does. And you guys can ask her any type of questions about classes, training, what you can and can't do. Because if you do facials, that's one thing. But if you can do body contouring and body treatments, oh man, that's above my level. Like, seriously, she's above, like, yeah, she can do it all. One-stop shop. And so we're gonna remove the mask. Oh, I got you. Uh-oh. Sorry. Oh, there we go.
They seem so bright. But my skin feels amazing.
All right. And Adrienne, she said her skin feels amazing. Would you like to let everybody know where you could be reached at if they have any questions about cavitation? And because I know they're gonna say, what can I do after this and what body treatment?
So if you're interested in any body contouring services, I can be reached at DMV_body_sculpting on Instagram. Or I can be, oh, that's okay. Or you can catch me on my YouTube channel, which is DMV Body Sculpting. My website is www.bodysculptingbyadrienne, and it's spelled ADRIAN like the boys.com.
Amen. All right. So now that you have her information, please feel free. And you guys have seen the other video with me and her. Well, she's doing everything on another client, and you guys are actually contacting me about it. I just did the video. She's the person who does everything else. She actually teaches a class and puts together the machines for you so you can purchase them. I don't have no idea where you can purchase these machines. I don't know.
So
But
you
she
can
does.
contact me on either of those. My number's listed there, email, or you can contact me through my website. And so that's DMV underscore body underscore sculpting. And that's Instagram or my website, www.bodysculptingbyadrian.com, or YouTube, DMV Body Sculpting.
There you go. So now you
Thank
guys,
you.
yes, you guys can stop. Like, if you don't tell me where, I don't. Hey, look, come on. Here she is. She's the instructor, the trainer of the world. And please give us a call at any time, okay? And I hope you guys enjoyed our HydraFacial class. It is super long, but like I said, there has been millions of people out here being duped into buying these machines, not just HydraFacial. I mean, any machine from Alibaba, DHgate, online, anywhere, Amazon, and they come with a small directions. Even for the LED light,
Yeah.
the instructions. This is literally only a book, a page. This is all. It really don't show you how to use it. It just tells you what the colors are. Oh,
It's cutting off.
okay. And what the colors are, and that's it. It's bare. Oh my god, it is so bland in instructions. It's horrible. On the back side, it's like a client intake form, how many treatments you did. I don't need to know all that. I need to know how to work my machine.
Yeah, really, I would say really consult a professional, because the instructions that come with the machines, I would not go in on a client without further instruction, or, reaching out to a professional like Benjamin. The HydraFacial machine is amazing. My skin feels really good, and it was a really, really nice facial. So I would definitely recommend a machine, but I would definitely consult with him as far as training on the machine, because he knows it like the back of his hand.
Yeah. And I really appreciate that, because it's not too many times I get someone that sings my praises at all. Like, I get a lot of hate mail and craziness, but I'm actually helping a lot of people. And for me to keep doing what I'm doing, it takes a lot of time. I'm taking her time, taking my time to make all of these videos. So, these schools that have trained you before, you actually have some sort of extra training, because the stuff in school is nowhere near what you're gonna experience out here in the real world. It really, really isn't. If once you make a mistake on somebody's face, or put the wrong chemical peel on, or use the wrong heads and scar somebody's face, it's over almost. Your license can be stripped. It can be suspended, especially if you got 1, 2, maybe 3. Oh, it's over. Like, that's all they need is a track record. And everybody's skin is super sensitive. Even I make mistakes. Dermaplaning, you've seen me in the videos make a small nick or cut on a person's face while they were asleep. They didn't even know that. I just put some stippling powder, it stopped the bleeding, and that's what you need to do. Schools aren't going to teach you if you make a mistake, and this is how you. The blood spill kit, what do we really use the blood spill kit for, except for going to the exam and learning how to use it during your exam? And you still don't even learn it at your practical. Like, what do I do if somebody sneezes, blood on my sheets? Like, do I put it in a separate bag? What if I make a small cut or nick? You need to know that, and your schools are not going to teach you all that good stuff. I wish my school did, and I went to a pretty good school, Aesthetic Institute in Vienna, Virginia. Not to sing their praises or anything. I did have good instructors. That's the one good thing I did have. We had 5 different ones, because some people were quitting. Some people were moving on to just another job, blah, blah, blah. But we had 5. I thank God we had 5 different. Because can you imagine just having one and just learning just from that one person, and you're thinking that's set in stone, this is how it's supposed to be. It's not. I praise God we had Dr. Afshin. She's a doctor. She literally told us how to inject. She taught us all the stuff that, hey, this is what you can do in the Medi spas. This is what you can do on a cruise ship. She already has training, the Sedesco training. We didn't even know what Sedesco meant or was, but she already had that certification. That means she trained in the UK. She actually had to have so much education to even call yourself a Sedesco trained international esthetician or massage therapist or a personal trainer. You went to school for well over 2 to 3 years. And now if you go to the UK, those schools are at least 18 months, like constantly. Like, you don't just get out, like, no, and you have to master all of them. So just like cruise ships, they don't want to just hire you because you're a massage therapist. They hire you because you're a triple licensed esthetician, massage therapist, because you're trained in everything. My school didn't teach us shit like that. We had to learn it from our individual instructor. So continuing education is the way, it's the go-to. Just make sure it's a good course, like Adrian's course, my course. There's far superior educators besides me, and I go to their classes all the time. But I hate wasting my money and my time on some $1,000 program or school or instruction, which I could have did or learned off of a YouTube video. And it hurts. It's like, damn, I wasted my damn money.
You sure did. That's a lot of money to waste too. That's a lot.
It is.
But I think that you're very informative, and definitely I learned a lot about my machine. So I was so glad to find you.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And it helps me so much to hear that, because now I know I'm helping somebody. I'm not here to help everybody, because that is impossible. I mean, it's possible for some people or God or Holy Spirit, but for me, I'm not trying to help everybody, because I know that's not obtainable. It really isn't. So I do know it's for people like Adrian. I'm going to say Adrian. It's so helpful for Adrian and people like her that want to learn and further their education, and I'm helping somebody, and that's what really matters to me. Other than that, please be safe out here. God is amazing. It's a new year. Say your prayers, be blessed, speak it into existence, and it will happen. And protect yourself at all times, because there's a lot of crazy people out here still trying to tackle people over a cell phone. As you see you see that lady tackle the young boy?
I saw it.
That's crazy. And the father was there. I'm like, that's the coolest black people on earth, because let that happen to me, it's gonna be over for you ever try to put your hands on me. And I mean anybody. I don't care if you're white. You could be Asian, black, white, other alien. Yes. And I'm talking about the space alien. I'm talking about anything. You're not gonna just tackle me out the blue and expect no repercussions. I'm like, they're better than me.
No, she got arrested.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
She finally got her. Okay. But they didn't beat her. I'm like, it's two of y'all. Y'all could have whooped her ass. But see, that's how I said some people are greater than me, because I'm not letting you touch me. No, we're going to go down. Even if it's the police, we all going down that day. But be careful out here, because there's crazy people like that will hawk you down for a phone that you lost your own self. Be careful of your surroundings. Be careful, be careful, be careful. But be blessed. We have new changes coming, new presidency, sister girl in office, VP, and things are going to change for the future. So hang in there. Enjoy your stimulus money and spend it wisely. Invest it. Do something. Pay off some bills.
Invest it in yourself.
Oh, yeah.
Invest it in yourself. Start your own business. Get an LLC. Get yourself situated. So you can get through this. We had to go through anything like this again. You'll be self-sustainable. So check us out.
That's right. And that's bad relationships to any bad job, anything in your life. Get rid of it. It's time for us to move on. And like she said, check us out online. Call us individually. We train differently. We have different classes. But if we're happy to hear from you regardless, and I will be able to forward your information to Adrian or myself if it does get misconstrued. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Yay, we made it.
Yay. And my skin feels so good. Did Smokey come back down?